Hello, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be unboxing this dash cam. I just bought it from Amazon. It was during, I believe, the Prime event. And so there was a small discount on this camera. There's a front and rear camera. I don't know why they only show the front camera here, but there should be a rear one in the box as well. I didn't do that much research on these. They seem to all be very similar, and I think the only thing that I saw really different was the shape of this and how it mounted. Most of them look like they just mounted to the dash, the windshield, the dashboard, the windshield, and yeah, and then if you had a rear one, it would go onto the rear window. So when they ship it to you, it comes in a box, a cardboard box. I took it out, and this is what was in there. It's plastic wrapped. Yeah, here are some details about the camera and what it can do. I like it that it has this loop recording. I guess maybe all of them have it, because you don't want to be changing out this memory card every time it gets full, because it probably gets full a lot. This one, the card, you can go up to 256, but I think the one included is either 32 or 64. Yeah, so there's some more on the box here. Okay, so yeah, I actually bought it last week. It came last week, and I've just been putting off making this video because I don't know why. I just other things to do, I guess. So here, I will cut this plastic thing off here. Okay, so it looks like there's an inner box that falls out, so I'll just shake it. There. So this is the lid. Oh boy, I guess I'm gonna have to... Wait, what is this? Installation video. Okay. Warranty service. More perks waiting for your discovery. Thank you for your purchase. Any problem, please send us message. This looks legit. I remember a lot of warning videos saying not to scan this code, but this one looks like it's legitimate from this company, so yeah, okay. That looks like just instead of including a manual, they included the code, so you can go get the instructions for installation. I actually watched the video already. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, so the code's on here too, and there's some instructions here. Please read the manual before using. Please do a bench test before installation. I don't know what that means. Oh, maybe they mean to test this out before installing it. It is recommended to use branded class 10 micro SD card to record 4K video. The micro SD card should be formatted in the dash cam before use, and it would be better to be formatted every 3 months. Please contact us if you have any questions. Okay, so here it is. So this part comes off and mounts to the windshield, and you can, I would hope that you can adjust this somehow. Oh yeah, so it's moving, so you can move it like that. So if you had it mounted, you can move it up, down, and it looks like there's a film here that you pull off, and also on the back, this film you can pull off. This is where the video would appear here from the camera. You can see what's on the road, and there's some buttons down here. It looks like M, left, OK, right, and power. I don't know what R is. Maybe the receiver? I don't know. So there you go. I'll just put this down here. Then we can see what else is in the box. I would hope there's other stuff in the box. Why would you have such a big box for? Okay. Okay. I made that look harder than it is. Okay, inside the box, here we are. We got micro cloth to clean, I guess, the camera and the back of this camera. And we have another sticky, I guess, if you gotta move it from one car to another. Something is not looking right here. There should be a rear one too, but so far I see only one camera. Okay, I was panicking for nothing. The other camera is in here. Hey, that wasn't really panicking. I was just concerned that there wasn't a second camera, but here's the other camera. The other camera is right here. It's smaller, and it also has lower resolution. I think the front one is 4K, but the back one might be either full HD or half HD. I'm not sure if it says it on the box or not. But I was thinking, even if it was lower resolution, it would still be fine. And there's a long cord. The way you have to install it is you have to put this cord in behind the bulkhead covers, I think. I think that's what it's called. But it didn't look easy, so I was not looking forward to trying to install this. And here's the other cable for the front camera. Looks like USB-C here, and this goes into the jack, and this is something else. Oh yeah, that's the video feed. Oh yes, it plugs into here. I can just plug it in now. So you just turn it until it slots in there. So there you go. Here you have it. And here's something. Maybe this is to remove it, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's it. let me just place everything in front here so you can see what's included. Okay, so you get this whole lifetime online support and future exclusive special offers if you register your product online with OVAMAN. And then you get this front camera, you get this tool here that looks like a tool to remove it, and then you get, this is the back camera and a very long extension, because I believe this has to extend all the way to the front. Yeah, there should be, I would think there's another cable. Okay, wait. The USB-C goes into here. Goes into the front camera. Of course, and this is the power. I don't know why I said, actually I'm not sure what I just said, but this is the power. USB-C goes into the front camera. And this connector cable connects to the back one. The back one also has like a lot of cabling here for you to run it through the car, and it has 2 sticky pads, so it looks like you can, you know, if you bought a different car and you wanted to move it, or you're leasing a car, actually I'm not sure you would install it into a lease car, but I guess I can remove this too so we can have a closer look. Let's see. Here. Yeah, this rear camera feels cheaper. It doesn't really feel like the same quality as this front camera. Oh, maybe? No, wait. Maybe they feel like the same quality. I like this light plastic. Hard plastic. And there's the second sticky. And very long cabling. My car is pretty short, so I probably won't need all this cabling, so I'll probably have to tuck it away somewhere. Oh, there is a manual here, but they give us that code too. I guess if you watch the video, it might be easier to see how to install it. But this manual is probably teaching you about the features of the camera and how to maybe configure it. I'll have to check it out later. Yep. Okay, so this is for the front camera, the extra sticky pad and the microfiber, and this, oh, there's 2 of them. So this I saw in the video because I watched it before I bought it. You stick this to the window, either the windshield or the rear window, and then you stick this to that. I think that's how you get it off more easy. You just probably peel this off the window and then you just get it off like that. Otherwise it might be a little hard to get it off the window. Oh, just wanted to show what's in this bag. I should have taken it out just to show. Okay, so inside the bag where the microfiber cloth was, here's the microfiber cloth. It is this big. Here we go, just put it there. And this is the second piece for hanging the front camera, and looks like there's 3 of these. I believe this is for the front camera. I mean, sorry, for the rear camera, but I can't be sure till I read the instructions or watch the video. There's this little tab. I believe this helps you peel off this sticky side. Yeah, it does. If you pull on this, then it reveals the sticky side. So you get 3 of these. And this one, you just get 1. Yeah, I don't think there's nothing else in the bag. I thought you would get like, this one's like, it has this this plastic that's cut to the size, but you only get 1 of them. Because maybe they want you to use the big one initially, like this, these oval ones initially to install it. But yeah, anyway. Okay, so there you have it. I don't know if you can see everything. Let me move scissors out of the way. Okay, there we go. I'll just tilt the camera a little up here. So you get this card with this microfiber cloth, sticky, the 2 clear stickies in there. This is the cable that connects to the front, and there's a remover stick. I'm just making up names for them. And then there's this rear camera, which doesn't actually, there aren't any buttons here. Maybe the front one controls the back one, I don't know. Only the front one has buttons. And then there's a manual. There you go. Well, thank you for watching. Maybe after I have time, I can go test it out and make another video to show it operating. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, just to help support my channel. And have a great day. Take care. Bye.